In the heart of a ruthless snowstorm, a baby cheetah lay frozen, his life slipping away in the cold. Refusing to give up, the mother cheetah carried her cub to a nearby home, driven by instinct and hope. A compassionate man saw the silent plea and brought the cub inside. Gently placed in a basket, warm air from a heater slowly brought him back to life. Once strong again, the cub was returned to his mother. As they walked back into the wild, they paused, turning once to offer a grateful farewell.